boys, is being replaced. Right when I was going to try to film it, Rolla's last SRN. Yo, this feels like a giant fail. Not only could I not film the last SRN because it's been removed, but I also couldn't really hear the other sirens going off because the trucks. Well, I mean, I at least I couldn't. I don't know. They might show up better on video. So yeah, that was the last SRN in Rolla. And they drove off with it. I was hoping to go down there and check it out and stuff. Alright, well, there's that. Probably going to replace it with the 130 like all the others. Don't know when that's going to happen. I thought it was going to happen right now because they're replacing it right now. I thought they were replacing it right now. I didn't think we would have had enough time to go to another nearby siren, but we did. Probably could have went to a Thunderbolt. I don't know. Well, actually, weird thing is I couldn't hear the Thunderbolt this time, even though I'm closer to it. Should it be a little worrying? There it goes. Goodbye, SRN. Adios. Ah, man. Imagine waiting 1 month to finally film another siren again, just for that specific siren to be removed. Yeah, that's not good. That sucks, Well, at least I'm going to be filming a Whelens. One of Oklahoma City's Whelens. So there's that. That's going to be later on this month.